That's not my cup of tea. I can't speak well in people. I don't look beautiful. I'm not that smart. I'm not comfortable to do this. I'm stuck in life. I am a worthless person. How do you feel a person confident? If the person speaks fluent, if the person behaves very smart, or there is something in the person that makes you feel that you can believe that person's quality. How do you feel a person is confident? Right. The third one. There is something in that person that makes you feel that you can have trust or you can have beliefs on that person's quality, right? Now, number of times we define confidence as speaking fluent or behaving very smart, street smart to people. I am talking about confidence. Believe on ourselves. You can have confidence on someone else if and only if that person, he or she, has beliefs on himself or herself. That's true for our professional field and that is true for our personal relationships as well, right? Now, let us come back to our parenting journey. Let us think about our children's confidence. Number of parents are really concerned once they doubt that their children are not growing confident. Their children are feeling somewhere or somehow less and putting themselves into the cocoon and not trying to come out of that cocoon, not trying to raise their voice and stand confident with their own voice. They are concerned because they know the importance of confidence in life and they know the pain of having poor self-esteem. The parents who have already suffered that zone, they can empathize that to a greater level, to a deeper level. Now, in this video, I am going to bring a parenting kit for you, the parents. Even if you yourself is having poor self-esteem, you can use that kit to grow a confident child. But before that, I want to give my heartfelt thanks to you if you have already subscribed my channel, and if you have not subscribed the channel, and if you feel this video is valuable, please like the video and please subscribe our channel to have a blissful parenting and to have a wonderful journey with your child. As I mentioned that I am going to bring a parenting kit to raise or to grow confident child. I am bringing a set of 5 plans, and why I'm calling it a kit, the reason is these are as effective as physical tools. I am Piali, Success Mindset Architect for Children and Parents, founder of Nation Empowering Mind. I take the accountability 100% to raise your child's confidence level, provided you follow those set of 5 plans or use that parenting kit honestly, wholeheartedly, with 100% effort. And I believe you will do that. Now let's jump into the topic once again. Give your child exposures to physical challenges. Swimming, karate, taekwondo, rock climbing, gymnastic, at least tree climbing. Choose any of the physical challenge as per your convenience at that point of time or at this point of time. Our body and minds are two parts of one system and it affects interchangeably. Means once you are physically low, it will impact your mental health. At the same way, once you are mentally low, it can be understood by looking at your body language, right? And the same thing is true for raising confidence. So once we go through physical challenges, as I mentioned, the name of different kind of physical challenges, and we learn to overcome those challenges through these processes, instantly our body gets the confidence and it immediately pass on to our mind, and our mind start getting confident. Mind your conversation. Once your child experiences poor score, poor performance, failure, rejection, there could be three things or three options. Do you tell your child, it's okay, you can do better next time? Option 2, you prescribe your child, you should put more effort, you should practice more, you should study more, and you can do better. And number 3, you sit with your child. You tell your child, I know you got a poor score, you performed bad, you got rejected and it feels bad. But I know you can do better. What do you think that what can help you to do better in this area? Out of these 3 options, what do you think? What can help your child to grow confident? Right, option number 3, because you are giving the responsibility to your child to find out that what can help him or her to do better. You are activating their brain. You are not prescribing something and putting that forcefully on your child, or neither you are simply trying to soothe them. That is not going to increase their confidence. Give your child the driver's seat and see how they are growing confident. Don't underestimate their age. Ask the question to a 7-year-old child and see that he will come up with such nice answers. Allowance. Allow your child to take tinier to smaller to medium to bigger decisions about themselves according to their ages. Example, choice of their clothes, choice of the interior color, maybe choice of their hobbies, choice of their study patterns, study schedules, and eventually the bigger life choices. Once your child will be habituated to take decisions about himself or herself from the very early age, and if those choices click, imagine that how confident they will feel. If it does not click, they will learn how to take accountability of their own decision, and they will be practiced with taking decisions, and that is a very, very powerful tool to grow confident. Be a role model for taking one step into the uncomfortable zone. Do something in your own life that you never thought that you were going to do. Do something that you were scared of doing throughout your life, and make yourself a living example for your child for stepping into the uncomfortable zone. You are the right person. You are the parents, and your life works more than your words. See the changes happening between your relation with your child and how you are becoming a life lesson for them for developing confidence. Help your child to grow their emotional skill. Most of the time, we see confidence as a characteristic. We think that this is not a behavior, but Confidence is a behavioral pattern which becomes a part of our personality and which is actually an outcome of one of our childhood emotions which were unhandled for a long time. And that emotion is called feeling inadequate or feeling less. In our childhood, through number of experiences, some of us, we start feeling less or we start feeling inadequate, and out of our hustle bustle of life, our normal basic instinct, we keep on ignoring, denying that feelings. As a child, we don't know what to do that feelings unless someone gives us that education, and that emotion becomes unhandled, and finally that turns into a part of our personality, and we enter through the suffering zone of poor self-esteem. Convey this message to your child that if you are feeling less, it means very simple. You just need to take more effort and you need to take more care in that area of life. It does not mean that you are less or you are inadequate as a person. So I talked about 5 plans, what I call a parenting kit. Use these plans. Place these plans in your daily life as per your format and see the changes. And let me tell you one thing very important, that the part of our brain which is responsible for developing the confidence is developed fully by the age of 12 years. That part of the brain, as per the neuropsychology, is called paleolimbic brain, and it gets developed by the in between the age span of 2 to 12 years. I'm not saying that after that it cannot be developed, but imagine that a hardwired brain, if you try to change it, how much effort you need to put. And people who have already poor self-esteem can understand my words, that the more and more you try to raise your confidence, number of times it goes up and it comes down. It takes a lot and lot to increase or to raise it permanently. So this is the time, parents, and you are in a position to catalyze it. You can do it. So if you are watching this video till that point, it shows that you are an active parent. So take the actions on your part. Imply all those 5 plans in your daily life and be a part of our VIP Facebook community, Mission Empowering Mind Parenting Insights. The link is given below in the description. Action number 2, download our recently published ebook on child behavior. The link is given below in the description, and visit our website missionempoweringmind.com. Bring the changes in your life, in your child's life. You can do it, I know, and have a great journey with your child. Have a wonderful life with your child. Thank you.